Hello everybody and welcome to your official Loog guitar lessons. I'm so glad you joined me. My name's Emily Zimmer. I'm going to be your teacher. Let's rock. It's time to learn the E chord. And this is a major chord. And we're going to take our first finger, and that's the only thing we need. We're going to put that at our first fret third string, just like that. Now, when you make these chord shapes, make sure that you curl up your finger like that so that you can press down with just the very tip of your finger. And you can think about fretting any string at any time as just pinching the note like that. So you don't want to grab the neck of the guitar like a baseball bat. You want to pinch those fretted notes between your fingertips and your thumb, like that. And that's your E major chord. So give it some practice, try your best, and you'll be strumming this chord in no time. Thanks a lot. See you in another lesson. Remember to subscribe to the Loog Guitars channel and press the bell icon so you can get notified every time we have a new lesson up. Until next time.